talaga namin ang lahat at papatunayan na deserving kami sa mga boto ninyo. At ito na, comeback na ng Take-Off.
Pagmamahal mo ang aking kadalasan man nakapag hanggang hindi magbabago aking pag-ibig. Ikaw ang dapat sa aking hinahanap, aking kapit na paglalang dahil ikaw ipaglalaban mo ang ating pag-ibig.
Good job to the band over there. Good job. Hey guys, you know where you are. This could not be possible right now if it weren't for the votes, and now you're here. In front of everyone, I want them all to know that tonight you showed all of us that you really want to be on that stage. Okay? But as a judge, I have to be very critical. I want you to know you have to listen to each other. I know the volume is up, the energy is up, but I think Gary will agree, in order for a group to sound awesome, they need to hear each other. When you go solo, or someone goes to a different, sometimes a little pitchy. When it comes back to the group part, you're okay. But you really have to listen to each other to really get the point across. But good job.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
That's true. When it's a group talaga, you have to listen to each other. And you know, last week, you were in the bottom 2. Di ba? At I was so upset dahil you won over my mark. But for the past 2 weeks talaga, you were not doing well. But tonight, you did.
Thank you, sir.
Tonight talagang pinakita nila na deserving talaga nila nandito sila ngayon na po.
Thank you, sir.
I have to agree with Tita Pelita nung past few weeks, parang nag-aalala pa ako, parang hindi ko alam, ano ba, take off. Ngayon parang take off. Yes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Nakita ng tao na kaya niyong kumanta ng mabibilis na kanta. Ang sabi ng mga ibang judges na the past 2 weeks, medyo so-so ang performances ninyo. Yan, papunta kayo dun sa take-off na yan. Now you took off in another direction and you did it really well. Hindi ganun kadali. I mean, 4 na rock guitars at lahat. But for me, I'm happy with what I heard and with what I saw tonight. Great job.
Sir.
Thank you very much, judges. Back with the band, Take Off! To vote for Take Off, it's Accept Straight Take. Konting hintay na lang mga kapamilya at magbubukas na ang voting line. Thank you, Take Off!